Guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download all the games for free. For that you need to download qbittorent. The link will be in the description. Yeah. So after downloading qbittorent, it's like uTorrent basically. You guys know that what's uTorrent. Yeah, so download qbittorent and then you just need to go to a site named qbittorent. The link will be in the description. Same. So this is the site. So you can get mostly all the games over here. This site, like that's online games might just not be available, or there might be some problem in the online games. So offline games are better. Like I mostly play only campaign games. So I do not download it from here. I like to play campaign games. Yeah. So I would also prefer you guys to play campaign games over here because online games are not trusted from torrent site. So please do not download any online games from here. Just download campaign games. Yeah. So let's search for campaign game. Yeah, I want to come back. Here it is. And online is not available also. And let's search something else. Crash Bandicoot. That was right here. Right? I just saw it. So yeah, here. Crash Bandicoot 4. All the games, mostly all the games are here. I do not download games from here. I do not download torrented games. I'm just showing you guys. My friend told me about this. So after downloading, like if let's see, I'll download Crash Bandicoot 4. Okay, so I'll download torrent. So this will be a file. You need to open this your file, and then this will be this, and just press this right here, and then your qbittorent will open, and then you need to press OK. Any game, not only Crash Bandicoot, any game, just need to press OK, and the download will start. Depending on your internet connection, the download will be fast or slow. And you can change the file where it is saved over here, D or C. I always do it in C. SSD games. I always download games on SSD. I use qbittorent for downloading only movies. I do not download games over here. So basically that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Just please click the subscribe button, click the like button, and share this video. If you want to share it. Just do everything. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. And this is how it will look after downloading. And before downloading, while downloading it will show 10%, 8%. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.